You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
Hate to be the bearer of bad news, but it's 4 o'clock.
Ain't good.
4 o'clock? Okay.
They played this song.
Well, where can I find you at?
I don't have any. I might have Instagram.
I will do.
Instagram OTF Justin, and then Facebook Justin Melbourne.
Y'all be sure to give him a follow. Last day, my other day.
Yeah.
Man, good seeing you,
Yes,
bro.
sir, man.
Let me give you one of these things. Let me get them.
You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.